Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another show. What I got to you today is from New Wave Toys. They sent me a little something for my video. Bam! This little coin retro keychain. This thing's super cute. Looks like an old video game coin slot. It's got their logo on the back. Super cute. It's got a little sticker on the front. To protect it from not getting scratched. And it's got a little battery pull, because it actually does something when you hit the button. It lights up. Super cute. They do like little small miniature video games and retro video game stuff, so you should check them out on their channel. There we go. Pretty cute, pretty cool. I'll put all their information on how to find them in the description. Thank you so much for sending me this keychain. And if you ever want to send something else, I would love to do a video on it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. And this has been another YouTube video. And thanks a lot for sending this. New Wave Toys. All right, peace.